Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel How to Tutorials. Today in this video, I am going to guide you on how to delete TikTok messages. Also, if you are new to our channel, make sure you subscribe to our channel and click the bell icon so you get notified each time we upload the video. Deleting a chat or single direct message on TikTok is a straightforward process. We need to keep in mind if we delete a chat or a direct message, it only deletes for you. The person you send message to can still see the message. So, for deleting the single direct message on TikTok, first go to your TikTok, then open the inbox at downside in your TikTok app. Go to the specific chat in your inbox. Now, select message you want to delete. Press and hold on direct message, then tap delete. This is how we delete the single direct message on TikTok. Similarly, you can delete a single message. Like previously mentioned, go to your inbox in TikTok app, press and hold that chat. After that, tap into delete, then you are done. This is it for tutorial. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure you like, share, subscribe to our channel for more tutorials like this.